if you're getting this merit message, then obviously it's because your real-time clock has an error. So check date and time settings, escape and continue, or F1 to enter the setup. So if you're at that screen, just press F1, it'll load up to the BIOS. Go to date and time. As you can see, the date and time's wrong. This usually happens though when your BIOS battery is going flat, so you might need to change that. But just change it to today's date. Today's date is the 5th of the 9th. I think this is America, so you have to put the month first. And then before you leave, save and exit, which is F10. And it should reboot if you've done it right. Yep, it's rebooted, so that's all it is, just your time and date are wrong.